Weird. Yeah. Let's see. Let's just roll forward a bit. Nope, that didn't work. You're still behind the white line. See, it'd be kind of strange for the city to maybe put a sensor on the other side of the stop line.
Yeah.
Because then that just encourages me. There we go. See, it's just more traffic around, so now it's picking up that we're here. Voila. So I just grew a few more gray hairs here. 40 in this whole area, no matter which side street we turn onto. Every street's gonna be 40. Let's make a left turn here.
As soon as I drove past the light, I seen it turn yellow already.
Yeah, it's not very long.
It was so quick.
So for the steering exercise, so if you would place your hands and drop your left hand in your lap, just use your right hand. This just gets you used to the leverage of the steering wheel here. And you'll see the steering, it's a combination of brake, gas, steering, where you're looking. And use your left hand and drop your right hand. Looking way around the corner, looking where you want to go. And that, raise your eyes looking way down the road. It helps you judge the sharpness of the curves. I'm already looking through the bushes for oncoming vehicles. And using your brake a little bit, that's great. Looking way around the corner, up to the next corner. Yeah, excellent. That's as far as you can go before you turn into a pretzel. And right hand. Okay. How they ended up with such a windy road.
Yeah.
No, it used to be like all farmland there.
Oh yeah.
There's nothing out here, just like trails and whatnot. Okay, right on. So now we're gonna go. We're gonna go left here at the yield sign, and for the yields, just slow it down like you did.